Hi, this is Tad Stevens, and welcome to my seven-figure affiliate marketing checklist video walkthrough. It's short, quick, helpful videos to make sure you're doing the things you should be doing and not doing the things you should not be doing when it comes to your affiliate marketing. Stick around to the end of this video, and I'll show you the best affiliate marketing deal I have found anywhere. Here we go. Seven-figure affiliate marketing checklist. Number 3, how to choose your offer and why. You want to select an offer to promote something that will transform your prospect from where they are to where they want to be. You can also think of this or your offer as the bridge to get to wherever their destination is. There's an old saying that you want to sell the destination, not the plane ride. So that's what your offer wants to speak to. Your prospects are not looking for your offer. They're not looking for you. They're not looking for your product. They're not looking for your support system. They're not looking for any of that you're promoting. They're looking for the results that the offer provides. So there's 4 components to an affiliate offer, whether it's an evergreen or a launch, and sometimes there's 5 if there's a back end. And this also applies to physical products. It applies to services that you do in person, done for you services, but we're going to approach it here as it applies to affiliate marketing. So the first thing is you have what's called your front end, and this is usually the low price first offer in your funnel. It can be a checklist like this. I mean, this one's I'm giving away for free, but I could charge $7 for it. I could charge $17 for it. That would be a front end. It would get somebody introduced to me, to what I'm offering, to the transformation that I'm attempting to provide for them. It would get them to know me, to like me, if I do it well and they're the right fit, and to trust me. Again, if I've targeted them correctly and if they're they're looking for what I'm offering, then this will build trust, and that's what you want to do with your front end. You want to make your front end to really be a knockout. You want to knock it out of the park with this thing so that it will build that trust. So as they go farther down your funnel, they already trust you. They already understand or believe they understand what you're offering and what you can do for them. Then there's what a lot of people call a bump. This is usually an offer that's related to the front end. It is usually a checkbox on the checkout page that they just check, and it'll add a small amount to the purchase price, and then they just check out. I mean, there's usually not an image. There can be just a description and a name. It can be just a name. Then you get into the OTOs. These are one-time offers, and these come after the front end, and there's usually more than one of them. An upsell OTO is an OTO that comes after the last purchase, which can be a front end or another OTO. If somebody passes on that, then sometimes people will put in what's called a downsell OTO. And this is something that may be half price of what the upsell OTO was. It may be a watered down version, something like that. There can also be recurring items in the funnel that can be OTOs, they can be upsells, downsells, things like that. But it's usually a monthly charge, can be a yearly charge, but it's usually a monthly. And that's usually the standard funnel. But then sometimes there's the back end. And this can be something, this can be like a high-end coaching weekend workshop, something like that, that's usually much, much more expensive. Can be several $1,000s, can be tens of thousands of dollars. But it usually isn't in the immediate funnel. It usually comes in a sales call that comes after the cart has closed. Say you go through the funnel and you buy the front end in an OTO, and you sign up for a coaching call, or you sign up for a kickoff call or a consulting call or something like that. And in that call, when they do whatever it is they're going to do, whatever they say they're going to do, they also pitch you on their back end or their workshop, whatever it is. And as I said, that can be tens of thousands of dollars. It just depends on the offer. There's also a percentage commission paid on all components. Well, most of the time on all components, which is usually 50% in affiliate marketing online. Now, it can be less, can be more. I participated in one a couple weeks ago where the commission was 100%. I was able to get everything that people paid for in the funnel. I got 100% of the commission because the vendor, the creator of the funnel, of the offer, had a huge back end, tens of thousands of dollars, and they just wanted to get them in the funnel and get them on the conference call the coaching call to get their high ticket item in front of them. So they paid 100% commissions on everything in the funnel to get people to promote it. And it worked out pretty good. But generally commissions are 50% for some of the higher ticket items, some of the bigger names. They're like 40%, which is pretty standard. I mean, it can vary. Like I said, the one I did a couple weeks ago was 100%. My goal is that I want to maximize my revenue across the entire funnel. This is assuming everything else is the same. This is assuming that I agree with the funnel, because I'm not going to sell stuff I don't like or don't think helps people. But it is assuming everything else is the same, is I want to maximize my revenue across the funnel. However, since all offers don't have the same value, I've got to look at the value of the offer. So even though, say, the maximum revenue on a funnel may be $100 for funnel A and $200 for funnel B may not be the best offer, because it may sell, a tenth of as much as funnel A, which means I'd make more money with funnel A. So, you got to, like in that case, you got to look at the attractiveness to the prospect as well as the numbers across the funnel. And most affiliate networks provide metrics for you to make these types of calculations and choose the offer that you feel suits your efforts, your needs, your list, your prospects, your buyers' needs the best. And you always want to bring that in. If you don't have an account on JVZoo, Warrior Plus, I would suggest you go create them. It's free to do. It's good to start getting familiar with those two sites. And you'll also want to make a note of two other sites that list offers on JVZoo and Warrior Plus. And one of them is muncheye.com and the other one is jvnotifypro.com. So look for offers and fill in at least 5 in the Google Sheet at er1.fun/offer-selector. This is just a spreadsheet to write these down in. Didn't have enough room in the PDF, or thought it would be easier and better to do it this way. So go to the spreadsheet, do some research, find some offers. Like I said, fill out or create an account on JVZoo and Warrior Plus, and just look through there. You can do searches on both those platforms. You can search for, like, if you're into nutrition, you can look for nutrition offers. If you're looking for business coaching, you can search for that. If you're looking for spirituality, you can look for those offers, all kinds of things. So go do that, fill out the spreadsheet. I hope that was helpful. Please like and comment below. We answer all of them. And subscribe to see more videos like this. Remember that marketing deal I mentioned? Check it out by clicking the link below, or go to er1.fun/7figures. That's er1.fun/7figures.